Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can cook food in or once made. Now this is going to be very simple and I'm just going to show you the general way to do it. Let's just go to the map. What I want you to do guys is find these crafting zones that you're going to find in the map, throughout the map basically. I'm going to show you like this one which is in Heaven Spear, but you have, different ones throughout the map. So make sure to actually look for them. But yeah, like near the game you're going to have these ones, this crafting zone, and this one especially, like Heaven Spear. This is the most like famous one. Okay, you have this bravery back jar nearby that you can unlock to teleport there. So yeah, and what's gonna happen is that in this kind of forges, in this kind of crafting zones, you're gonna have like cooking zone. Okay, look, we have also like a crafting zone, a medicine, whatever, but we have this little fire which is gonna allow us to cook. So we're just gonna press F, we're gonna go into it, and now we just have to basically select the recipe that we wanna, enjoy. We can have our bath foods, which are gonna give you certain advantages, but we also have your recovery. I'm just gonna press space to cook it. And that's it. Now I can just go to my menu and I can eat it, okay? So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.